The battered black Cadillac One Limousine will be recycled in a satisfying factory style, with no mention of weapon elements. The battered black Cadillac One Limousine receives identification, so all downstream parts synchronize to the correct repair chain.
The battered black Cadillac One Limousine begins the journey from scrap to display on an extremely rhythmic production line.
Every step of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine is a fictional, satisfying, non-military process.
The battered black Cadillac One Limousine must be cleaned of dirt before disassembly to avoid contaminating clusters.
The damage map helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine get repaired in the right places, avoiding wrong part replacement. Each bolt of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine is kept in the correct position, so reassembly follows the right logic. The windshield of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine is cleanly separated to restore the frame and gasket. The interior of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine will be deep cleaned before surface restoration. The electrical system of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine must maintain circuit logic so reassembly doesn't mix up sensors. The powertrain cluster of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine is separated for cleaning, measurement, and restoration to standard. The industrial breeding room helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine have a gentle, clean, dust-free rust removal process. Accurate frame helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine reassemble body panels without gap misalignment. The smooth, uninterrupted glide of the gauge confirms the precise calibration, resulting in a perfectly uniform gap along the entire door. Primer is the base layer for the battered black Cadillac One Limousine to restore the surface like new.
The black of the battered black Cadillac One Limousine must be even, so all body lines appear sharp and clean.
Mechanical precision determines whether the battered black Cadillac One Limousine runs smoothly after recycling.
Smooth powertrain gives the battered black Cadillac One Limousine the right smooth feeling and satisfying style.
New interior helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine lose the scrapyard feel and transition to display. Refreshed suspension makes the battered black Cadillac One Limousine ready to receive the powertrain cluster. The body merge moment helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine shift from scattered parts to complete form.
The battered black Cadillac One Limousine repainted bumper installed. Gap fit creates clean straight line.
Final paint wash, microfiber cloth, DI water spray, clean epoxy floor.
Quiet cabin helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine carry the right limousine feel after recycling.
Inspection complete. Swirl contamination reading 0. Panel uniformity is excellent. This unit passes.
The battered black Cadillac One Limousine proves that a recycling process can create a like-new appearance while preserving the material story.
The battered black Cadillac One Limousine is only finalized when LED reflection runs straight and continuous with no swirl under angled light.
Steel documentation helps the battered black Cadillac One Limousine maintain consistency between refreshed parts and repair history throughout the entire process.